A few years ago, I was a shy and ugly introvert, and I always thought that getting a girlfriend is impossible for me. But after watching a lot of videos on YouTube and learned about the things that I will present in this video, I became more confident in my abilities. Here's what you should do to get girls as an introvert. Number 1. Looks maxing. This refers to making improvements to your physical appearance in order to maximize your attractiveness to yourself and to potential partners. Here are the 4 main things you should do. 1. Exercise. You can exercise either by going to the gym or doing calisthenics. This will help you achieve a lean and attractive physique and also form discipline in your life. Follow a workout program like push-pull legs and try exercising at least 3 times a week. 2. Skincare. A skincare routine helps to improve the health and appearance of your skin by preventing and reducing signs of aging, sun damage, and acne. By taking care of your skin, you can achieve a clearer, brighter complexion and reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. This can boost your confidence and make you appear more attractive to others. Find your skin type. It can be oily, dry, or a combination of both, and use an appropriate facial cleanser every time after going out of the house. Use a moisturizer in the morning and before bed. It helps to hydrate and nourish your skin, prevent dryness and flakiness, and maintain a healthy skin barrier. It's especially important to use moisturizer if you have dry skin or live in a dry climate. And lastly, use an SPF to prevent your skin from the rays of sun. 3. Haircut. Getting the right haircut for your face can make you go from a 5 to a 10. I personally suggest you getting a bespoke haircut, which is basically a barber helping you decide the right haircut for your face shape and features. And the last one, fashion style. Having your own fashion style can make you appear 10 times more attractive than a regular guy. Find a style that suits you. Some attractive styles are old money, streetwear, soft boy aesthetic, and the bad boy aesthetic. The most important thing is that you feel confident wearing whatever you choose. Some guys overlook this part and end up even less confident than before. Number 2. Embrace your introverted personality. As an introvert, it's important to embrace who you are and let your personality shine through. You don't need to try to be someone you're not in order to attract girls. Instead, focus on your strengths, such as your ability to listen and think deeply about things, and use these qualities to your advantage in your interactions with women. Which leads me to the next point, which is, learn how to communicate confidently. Even though you are an introvert, girls love an introvert that are confident in themselves. I know this can sound like 2 opposite things, but there are some things that you can apply right now. Always make eye contact. This is one of the most attractive things you can do, and this action shows to people that you are confident and that you care about your conversation. Always speak clearly and confidently. This will show people that you have strong opinions and that you are not weak-minded. And last, ask open-ended questions to show interest in the other person. This will make you have long and deep conversations with girls and make them fall in love with you. I suggest you read the book, How to Talk to Anyone, for more information. Have a hobby. Women love men that are deeply passionate about something and can talk about it for hours. Having a hobby can also be a great way to meet like-minded people, including potential girlfriends. Whether it's a sport, a creative pursuit, or a hobby that involves volunteering or helping others, having something you enjoy doing can make you more interesting and attractive to others. If you do all of the mentioned things, you will end up with a formula for confidence in getting girls. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to not miss out my self-improvement videos. Peace.